Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, I am here for you with beautiful video and beautiful ideas, all my dear viewers. So my dear viewers, in this video I am introducing a trending and beautiful centerpieces idea about Christmas. Christmas is the most beautiful and religious festival. Christians are celebrating this beautiful and religious festival with joys and happiness. They are decorated their homes on this beautiful occasion. So, my dear viewers, my videos are also for you, and all the ideas are specially designed for my dear all viewers who want to decor their home in this beautiful occasion. All the centerpieces are very beautiful, unique, and trendy. You must love and enjoy my videos because it is very helpful for you. So, my dear viewers, watch the video till end, which is very helpful for you because Christmas is coming soon and everyone is decorated their homes and waiting for my videos to help out for your home decor. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful and colorful ideas for your home decor to enhance the beauty of your home. So my dear viewers, keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos, subscribe my channel also, and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and unique beautiful updates. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day. Bye bye.